Open Chrome and type https://learnshadow.netlify.aapko. Tap the Courses button to explore our complete learning paths. From Python to networking, from AI ML to cybersecurity, everything is designed for beginners and advanced learners. Choose any course card and start learning instantly. No fees, no sign-up pressure. Just pure learning. Tap the IDE button to start coding directly on the website. Write code, run code, and learn practically. All in one click. If you prefer an app experience, tap Install App and install LearnShadow instantly on your device. In the menu, tap Interactive Coding and experience coding like a game. Gamified learning helps you master Python step by step. Start with level 1. Read the concept, understand the logic, then scroll down and solve the exercise. If you ever get stuck, simply tap Hint to see the solution. Open the menu again and tap videos to watch tutorials for every course, simple explanations, beginner-friendly content, and step-by-step guides. Tap Dictionary to explore technical terms with clear meanings and real examples. Use the search bar to find anything you want to learn instantly. Open blogs to read the latest articles and expand your knowledge with fresh, updated content. Tap any blog to dive deeper into real cybersecurity topics. Visit your profile to check your learning progress, completed lessons, and exams. Want to personalize your experience? Tap Theme and customize your learning environment exactly the way you like. You can even share your daily progress on Instagram, download or directly share in one tap. Edit your profile name and bio anytime, but remember, your real name is required for certificates. Scroll down to view your pending and completed courses. If you've completed a course and want your certificate, tap Certificate to enter the exam hall. The exam has 20 questions and you need 85% to pass. True, false, fill in the blanks, MCQs. Everything designed to test real understanding. After passing, tap Download to instantly download your certificate as PDF or PNG and share it anywhere. To verify your certificate, open Chrome and type learnshadow.netlify.app/verify.html. Enter your certificate ID and verify instantly. Need tools or resources? Open the menu and tap Resources, access free cybersecurity tools and utilities to support your journey. Tap Next and complete quizzes for revision and exam preparation. Use your notes to strengthen your understanding. Once you enter the exam hall, you cannot reopen the course, So always prepare well. And finally, this is your certificate. Your official verification ID is displayed at the bottom right. LearnShadow Learn. Practice, master cybersecurity.